Oh, what is that? What is that?
Whoa! That's new.
What is this?
Well, don't touch it. It's got a little button on it. Wait, Angel, I dare you to touch it. I dare you to touch it. Oh my god, it's Master Chief, guys. Alright, let's make a quick intro in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Alright, bet. Let's go. Oh, there you are.
We need to go. We need to go.
Why? Oh, there's a thing. Oh god. Run.
How do we, what do we use?
Oh god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We need to go.
He's throwing bombs.
We need to go.
Oh, JC, help me. Kyle, help me.
Got you. Oh no.
Help me. I'm dead. Oh my god. Run. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed. We're getting chased by terrorists.
I need to go get my iPod.
Okay, well, I'm out of footage, so be careful.
Austin.
How do I?
Austin. Throw it.
I got you.
Okay. Come on.
Okay, let's get the fuck out of here.
Oh my god.
JC,
JC.
we gotta go. JC, come here. Oh my god. Oh, close the door.
We're safe in here.
Okay.
We're safe in here. It won't
Are we?
go for us.
Why would if he throws a bomb in here?
It won't.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, you're not.
I do not know how to do that.
I saved our lives, Kyle. You think JC's still alive?
Yeah. He's moving around.
Oh my god. We got low oxygen though. Should I open it?
Coming. He's coming.
Hey, open the door, please.
I'm opening it. Get it. Holy shit. Let's get the fuck out of here, dude. That was actually crazy.
Man, I sure hope nothing unfortunate happens to my ass.
Alright.
We're going in.
Hack him into the mainframe.
It's John.
It's John!
Oh, what the fuck?
Move! Run! Holy shit! Move! Did he die?
Oh my god.
Ed?
We good? Who's alive?
It's 2 British people. Ow!
Oh my god. You alive?
Yeah, I'm alive. Run!
They won't come in.
That is such a lie, Kyle. Kyle.
Hey, British guy. Come here, British guy.
We're good. Alright, I think I'm gonna get off because I'm getting a little tired.
No. Here. We'll go to sleep right now. Here, we'll go to sleep right now.
I gotta
Yeah.
do it IRL.
Yeah, we'll go to bed right now.
Good night, Pookie Bear.
Good night, guys. Oh, someone's at my door. Don't you feel well rested now, JC?
No, it's worse.
Is it like Lethal Company?
Yeah. So yeah, actually, it's kind of like Lethal Company.
It's literally Lethal Company, but if we were YouTubers.
Yeah, pretty much.
Awesome. How do you flashlight?
Whoa. Oh! That scared the fuck out of me. Ah!
What's on here?
What's down here? Bro ignores the giant freaking. Chat, you see this? Oh! Oh shit!
Oh, what is that? What is that?
Whoa! That's new.
What is this?
Well, don't touch it. It's got a little button on it. Wait, Angel, I dare you to touch it. I dare you to touch it. Hey, when y'all pick up my camera, we're dead.
Oh.
Zane, you're at my body.
Oh shit.
Hey, his body's up here.
He should have the
They're
camera on him.
retarded.
Oh my god. The stairs, guys.
The stairs? Let's find a scary.
Oh, yeah, downstairs.
Like you. Hello. Oh shit.
Did Zane not see that thing earlier?
I think this is what killed him.
It is not what killed us. I can't wait for them to see what killed us.
I'm back.
He died. Oh no, he
Dude,
didn't.
they die.
Oh no.
Get back in the. Get in the thing. Come here. Oh no. Hey, buddy.
Oh
How
my
are
god, if he
you?
goes in there, he's fucked.
We're cooked.
Oh shit. Hello.
Hey Zane, dude, you're gonna love the camera footage that me and Angel got.
Okay.
What's down here? Bro ignores the giant freaking. Chat, you see this? Oh! Oh! That's new.
What is this?
Well, don't touch it. It's got a little button on it.
Is it a
I dare you to
bomb?
touch it. I dare you to touch it.
What? I think this is what killed him.
It was not.
I was wrong.
If you
Yes,
if you
yours
take
are.
your age, double it, and then divide it in 2, that's your age.
Shut the fuck up.
Shit.
You should be tutoring like
like
Scott
the
with
fucking-
that kind of
The fucking like a fucking like still image of like fucking Howard Wolowitz from The Big Bang Theory, like
Yeah.
fucking like a mean caption.
It's like the love is in the air. It's like actually it's what is it? It's like
Love was in the air. Wrong. Cyanide.
yes. Angel, don't do it. Don't kill yourself. You have so much to live for. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, chat. Today I'm gonna throw it right in that hole. You see that hole right there? Alright, watch this. Kobe! Wait, hold on. Wait. Kobe! Wait, hold on. Okay, I guess I can't throw it. Oh, there we go. It looks so stupid.
What is going on, gamers?
I like that.
What is going on, gamers? Hello.
Oh, don't
is
shine.
your
Don't,
name?
don't shine. Oh. Ow.
Oh shit.
We got an alcoholic on me. Don't shine the
shit,
light.
I'm dead.
Don't shine the light at it. Don't shine the light at it. It's sensitive to light.
Oh. He's still coming for me. Oh, I'm one shot.
Oh, okay. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. He's going over there. Yeah, he's sensitive to light. Look, I'm gonna touch him. Don't record it either.
I can't. Yeah. Bless you.
Thank you. Like, see, he's friendly. You son of a bitch! Oh, what is that? Oh! Guys, he's grappled onto me! Help! Please! Guys, please! No, don't shut the light on it! Someone help me, please! I'm dead. Oh my god, chat, what was that?
We all died.
What the
Wait,
fuck?
everyone died? Oh my god. Bro,
I got
screen.
one shot.
We have to get that camera, dude.
We can't.
We're gonna lose.
We lost at the bar downstairs, so we'll just remember that. Look, here it is. I got it.
Here, pass it. Never forward.
Whoa! That
You
was.
never knew you could do that before?
No, I knew we could do it. I didn't know it was behind me. Okay, another snail guy. Dude, what's with all the fucking snail vagina heads?
You got a ribcage. He jumping me! He jumping me!
Holy shit. Bro, that scream was so genuine. Holy shit.
There ain't shit here, dog.
Yeah, where the fuck are all the non-snail people at?
Where all the bitches at?
There they are.
Hold on!
Alright.
We're all the bitches with vertebrae.
Get off of me!
We just need to go, I think.
Oh shit!
Joshua, you good?
Oh fuck!
What the fuck is that thing?
Oh, he's a
He's a
pufferfish.
bomb. He's
Oh, he's a
gonna
bomb.
blow up.
Oh, there's a snail here too. Oh, great. Ow! We got an alcoholic on me!
Oh shit!
Don't shine the light. Don't shine the light at it. Don't shine the light at it. You're so. Oh, what is that? Oh!
Dude, that's my daylight!
Guys, he's grabbed
That's my daylight! That's my daylight!
Please! No! Let's say that. That's fucking hilarious.
I saved it. I saved it. Hey, what deal should we do?
What's up?
Which sponsor deal?
We get sponsors now?
Yeah, with the meta coins. We can. There's one that wants us to get 350,000 views.
What the heck?
Which we don't have. The dance ones are easy. Ow.
Holy shit.
I fucking love how you can throw it like this spear.
Alright. Oh, this is the new map.
super soldier.
Wait, let's get an intro real quick. Here, start dancing, Yasha, with your little emote. Alright guys, we're back on the new map with the gun. Kyle, is that you?
Skull. Me and I'm dead.
Oh! Watch out! Ah!
Run! I stunned him!
Holy shit!
Austin, run!
I'm running. That was good shit, holy crap. Wait, I hear
Kyle's
you.
still here.
Kyle, where you at?
Back in the cave. Yeah, we know.
We're coming, Kyle.
Giant, like, galloping thing. Also,
Oh. There's a turret down there.
yeah, fuck you.
Ah!
I hear it.
Oh, I saw him! Oh shit!
Oh!
Ah! Oh my god!
Get in the ship!
Alright guys, hope you all enjoyed that. We're gonna wait in here for a second. You guys see that red laser?
No, he's gonna kill us all.
Yeah, I'll give him a message.
Alright, here, I'm gonna open it and you're gonna blaze a firing. Yeah, get him! Oh shit.
I'm out of ammo.
Can't see. Stop resisting! I got a dick!
Boom.
Yeah!
You want
The
one
2-inch
too?
Punisher. Yeah, give me one.
The 2-inch Punisher.
We did it, guys. We made it. Whoopee. Dude, that actually covers my
17.
screen. I can't see.
I know.
Oh my god, look like a bunch of mushrooms in my face.
Oh, look, a skull!
Bro, I'm dead.
Another one. Another. Hold on. Hold on.
Dead.
Come here. Oh.
Do it. It's rolling down.
And it fell off the map.
Damn.
Whoa! Whoa! Guys, help me. Throw something at it.
I got you.
Throw something at it.
Um.
Throw something
I'm
at it. Throw your
trying.
flashlight. Oh my.
Hold on. I got a bone. I got a bone. Oh, he's.
Thank
Oh, he
you.
let go, he let go!
Thank you, thank you. Oh my god! Guys, come on, help me.
Get it. Get him. Get him.
No, 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 no. Throw.
Help! Help! Yes!
Oh, shit, now!
Oh shit.
Running up. Don't get stunned.
I'm trying. No! Wait.
Okay.
No! He got me! What is that? Ah! Ah! I'm dead! I'm dead.
Holy shit! What the fuck is that? He's got the camera!
Come on. Come on.
Holy shit.
Well, thank you everybody for the video. Wait a second.
Hold on.
Oh, pause it! Get the fuck out!
Oh my
What is
god.
that?
A fire-breathing thing. I don't know. Don't get stunned.
I'm trying. No! Wait.
Okay.
No! He got me! What is that?
Does that count as a dead body? Yeah.
Let's see if we kept the sponsor. Oh,
Can you not read? Dead body.
The kids will never be the same, you know? Whoa, why did I hear the noise immediately?
Oh.
bro, there's something right out there.
Listen to that. Hello guys, my name is... Oh, it's the trap thing!
that-
Oh.
Oh, that's easy. Alright, everyone turn around in 3. Why is it always... Oh, it's not me. Oh,
Please help.
it's nice knowing you, Kyle.
Oh wait, we're good.
It shot me. Haha, you can't pull me in.
Uh-oh.
Get metagamed.
Please don't.
Fucking hell. Hey, tase him. Wait, can you taste the trap?
I have one more taser left. Oh, he pulls into the trap.
Hello, everybody. Today we are playing with this guy. Uh-oh. Oh!
Holy shit, he's dead. Close the
Take the camera, take the camera.
No, don't leave. Oh shit! Go!
Holy shit, no!
Grab the taser. Grab the taser. Shock stick.
No.
Grab the shock stick.
Oh shit.
Kyle, behind you! Run, Kyle!
No.
Kyle, run!
I got it. Kyle.
Leave!
Just go. Just go. Go.
No, Yashua, don't do it! No!
Yoshua.
Oh my god!
How was that?
Oh my god!
Dude, they start spawning in the ship.
How do they all like... Oh no.
Oh.
Man, we fell off.
Yeah, fuck. I think that's my YouTube channel.
I died of Oh.
Dude, where did all those things come from?
Dude, I don't know. I was,
You should have
was
just
typing
left
in
them,
the
dude.
code.
Oh my god.
I wasn't gonna do that. I'm a real one.
He was stuck in a cage while there's like 5 hunters and snails behind you.
Hold on.